Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify identity. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, when you want to sign in your Apple ID or log in your Apple ID in your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, first of all you need to make sure that your phone is connected with proper internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to open your Apple ID in your phone, and guys simply you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this you need to click on change your password in this tab. So guys, simply you need to create your new password. And guys, after here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this here is the tab in which you need to write your new password, and below guys you need to verify your new password. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys, after this you need to sign in your Apple ID again. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Apple Store in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, simply you need to open this, and guys select your gadget here. And guys, after this you need to scroll down, click on more, and guys click on App Store. And guys, after this you need to wait for its opening. And guys, this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you need to scroll down, and here is the option of call. So guys, simply you need to click on call. And guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem. And guys, they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.